Seems like someone's already been to my bags of produce in the refrigerator. Because this is not the way that I get it from APLA. And one bag is missing. And since I chose the bags that I took with me, all lemons were basically, they're not basically, they were all without blemish. And yet, in just a little over a 24-hour period, during simply a 10-minute absence from my apartment since I delivered this, hers has changed. Those GangStalkers are evil. This, an unopened bag. You think?